In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix QuickBooks online invoices not being emailed to customers. Start on the QuickBooks site with your account already logged in. From the dashboard, go to the left sidebar and click Sales. If Sales is not visible there, click All Apps in the left sidebar first, then open Sales and Get Paid. Once that section opens, click Invoices in the left sidebar. You'll now see your invoice list. On the right side of that list, there is a status column. This is where QuickBooks shows whether an invoice was sent successfully or if there was a delivery problem. Look down that status column and find any invoice marked undeliverable or delivery error. That confirms the email bounced instead of simply being overlooked by the customer. If you see a Needs Attention banner at the top of the invoice list, click it. That filters the list so you can go directly to the invoices with delivery problems. You can also check the detailed bounce list by clicking the bell icon in the top right corner. If QuickBooks recorded delivery errors, they'll appear there along with the date, the customer, and the specific reason the invoice email failed. Next, verify the customer's email address. In the left sidebar, open the Customer Hub, then from the drop-down click Customers and Leads. In the customer list, click the customer who did not receive the invoice. That opens the customer profile. In the top right corner of that profile, click Edit. Now check the email field carefully. A small typo or an extra space can stop invoice delivery. If the email address needs to be corrected, place your cursor in the field, update the address, and make sure it is entered cleanly with no extra spaces. When the correction is complete, click Save. Go back to Sales, then Invoices. Find the invoice for that customer in the list. In the Action column on the right side of the invoice row, click the drop-down arrow. From that menu, click Send. That resends the invoice using the corrected customer address. Now reset your company email address. This is one of the main fixes recommended by Intuit because re-entering the sender address refreshes the email QuickBooks uses to send invoices. It can clear invisible formatting problems that block delivery. Click the gear icon in the top right corner. Under your company, click Account and Settings. In the Settings window, click the Company tab on the left. Scroll down until you reach the Customer Contact Info section, below Company Info and Legal Info. Next to Customer Email, click Edit. Clear the email field completely so it is blank. Then retype the same address exactly using your own business email address. Type it directly into the field instead of pasting it, and make sure there are no spaces before the address, inside it, or after it. Once the email has been re-entered, click Save. Now send a test invoice. Close the Settings window and return to Sales, then Invoices. Choose any existing invoice from the list and click View or Edit. Inside the invoice, go to the To field. Change that email address to your own email address for the test. Make the full change in that field so the invoice will come to your inbox instead of the customer's. When that is done, click the green Review and Send button at the bottom right. A preview window appears. Click Send to send the test invoice. Then check your inbox in your real email account. If the test invoice arrives, that confirms the sender reset worked. If it does not arrive, continue to the next fix. Now switch the invoice template to Modern. Click the gear icon in the top right corner again. Under your company, click Custom Form Styles. In the list of templates, find the invoice template you are currently using. In a fresh account, the default template is usually named Standard. In the Action column to the right of that template, click Edit. At the top of the template editor, click the Design tab. Then click Dive In with a template, which is the first option on the left and marked with a green dot icon. The template gallery opens. Click the Modern tile. After that, click Done in the bottom right corner. Future invoices will now send using the Modern template. At this point, the main fixes are complete. You've checked invoice delivery status, reviewed bounce errors, corrected the customer email, reset the company sender email, tested delivery, and switched the invoice template. If this helped, hit like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. That completes the process for fixing QuickBooks online invoices that are not being emailed to customers.